You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look at how you will start a profitable bread bakery business in this year 2026. I want you to stick till the end of this video and you will not regret it, because I'm going to expose great secrets and details that will help put your business at a very good edge and make you to be profitable. So if you are dreaming of starting a bakery business, this is the right video for you. Having said that, let's go straight to the video. Now, the first question people always ask themselves or ask people that are already in the business is bread business profitable? The answer is yes, with a condition. Number one is if you know what you're doing. Two, if you have good management. Three, your location. Four, your recipe. These four things will guarantee your success. Now, if you have good location, good recipe, you are good to go. Beloved, if you have good recipe, bad location, good management, you are good to go. So recipe management are the key things that you need to put in place in order to succeed. Now, the second thing that you also need to do in order to maximize profit is good equipment. You need good equipment. Not all those machines that are locally fabricated are just at your backyard, and one side is giving heat, the other side is wasting the heat, just like that. Fire source or heat source from the base only. All those kind of ovens will frustrate you, and most of the locally fabricated equipment may frustrate you. And so you should prepare yourself and get really good equipment. Let's look at the second question. Is bread business not saturated? This is not tea here. Now, the bread business can never be saturated, because even today you might have eaten bread with 1 cup of tea. Those that are in the construction industry, the building industry, the construction side, those that are in the real estate, they eat bread. Those that are carrying blocks eat bread with 1 bottle of Coke or any soft drink, and they are good to go for the whole day. They will do their job. Those that are going to school and some offices put slices of bread in their lunch box and they are good to go. So bread is part of us. We eat bread every day. If you are traveling, you buy bread. On your way back, you buy bread. So you see, people eat bread. It's a staple food in most parts of the world. So it cannot be saturated. As I travel around, I come to observe that there are areas that there are no bakeries at all. People supply from the city to those areas. Those are very good areas that you can locate your bakery and skyrocket. I tell you the truth. Now, the last question is, how will a beginner penetrate and make profit? Very easy. How will you penetrate? One, first of all, have a very nice recipe, and you have to be consistent. What I mean by that is, if today you bake very good quality bread, and then tomorrow your bread is not really good, next day your bread is good, your quality is not consistent, then you will lose customers. But if your quality is consistent and is that type of bread that if you can actually sit down and eat without knowing that you are eating almost a loaf of bread, that taste should be awesome. It should be milky, or it should be filled with that buttery flavor. Then you're good to go. You should have that satisfying. There are 3 major things that makes people satisfied in bread. Number 1, how soft is your bread? Number 2, the aroma of your bread. Number 3, how delicious is your bread? If your bread has these 3 qualities, you are good to go, and you will penetrate any market. How will you penetrate as a beginner? Number 2 is monitor the market. If the big guys come in the morning, you should go in the evening. If they supply in the evening, go in the morning. That way you will always boycott them. You will always break in. I tell you the truth. Finally, visit stores and introduce the bread by yourself. Don't depend on your sales girl or sales boy. Go with them in most of the cases. Get feedback, and you will penetrate very easy. If you have a distribution means like a vehicle, a van, or a tricycle, any means of distribution, and you are committed with consistent quality product, you will penetrate. So it's very easy to penetrate the market. Very, very easy. Now, the final thing that will also help you to penetrate in the market is registration. Carry out all legal registrations and be free so that your competitors will not use it against you, because if your quality is good and the demand is increasing, definitely it will affect the production of your competitors, and they will start to look for means, to pull you down. And one of the easiest means to pull you down, especially if you're a Nigerian, is using NAFDAC. Once you are not registered with NAFDAC, your competitor can just report you to NAFDAC, and you know how they act. Once they storm into your bakery, they shut it down. But if you go to them, register with them, or even if you are in the process, they will not just come and shut your business down. And then you'll be able to penetrate peacefully, move everywhere without fear of any interruption. So this is just a summary of how you will be able to start your bakery business in 2026. I'm going to drop a video on the cost of equipment in 2026 and the basic equipment you should purchase. So subscribe so that you have more of the videos like this. And don't forget to like this video. Tell me where you're watching from so that we will interact. Don't forget, tell me where you're watching from. See you in our next video. God bless you. Jesus loves you.